went up in a big balloon. A mouse went up in a big balloon. How mouse went? A mouse went in a big balloon. You can see in here there is a big balloon. So he went where we went. This is the moon, and where he went to the moon in a big balloon. How he went? He went with a big balloon. You can see that there is a small mouse is there. You can see in your book. Okay, there is a small mouse. He is going in the balloon. He is sitting in the balloon and he is going there. That is this is the photograph of the moon. Okay, this is the photograph of the moon. So a mouse went in a big balloon. How he went? He went in a big balloon. He took a big balloon to go to the moon. Okay, and sailed along in style. Sailed means वो तैरते हुए. balloon में कैसे हम जाएंगे? ऐसे ऊपर से वो हवा में उड़ता हुआ जाता है ना. The same way he sailed along in style. मतलब उड़ता हुआ आराम से. वो मतलब style में. खूब देखो how she is showing himself in style. He is standing. We wear the clothes and we pose for the style. Na? Same way the mouse is also giving a style. Until at last he reached the moon. Until at last means at last, after going many months, many days, he took. How much days we take? We take many days and many months it take to reach the. So after going many days, he reached the moon. Okay, where he reached? He reached the moon. There he stayed a while. The mouse stayed there for a while. कुछ समय के लिए वो वहां पे रुका. Stayed for a while means कुछ समय के लिए he stayed in the moon. The man on the moon came out to see. One man who maybe when some man was living there, so that man came on the moon to see who chanced to pass that way, and he was going somewhere. Maybe he was chance means वो वहां से जा रहा था, and he got the chance. Who chanced to pass that way? He was going and he saw the mouse. What he saw? He saw the man on the moon came out to see. The man who was there in the moon, he came out to see the mouse. Who chanced to buy that way? He chanced to, he got the, usko mauka mila to see the mouse. Moon. Okay, that he got that chance to see the moon. I am glad to see you, mouse. What this see you can see that man. This is the man who had seen the mouse. I am glad to see you, mouse. वो क्या glad means जब हम अपने friend से मिलते हैं तो हम क्या हो जाते हैं? We are very happy, na? So he is also very happy. He said, I am glad to see you, mouse. He said, I hope you have come to stay. He said that, I hope you have come to stay here. Means you will be staying in the moon only. You are warmly welcome at my house. Warmly means हम अब कोई भी हमारे घर में आते हैं, we welcome them ना. So that man is also welcoming the mouse. Oh, there's nothing to eat but cheese. Though there is nothing, but there is only cheese. Cheese is what? Cheese is a type of a butter. Okay, cheese, you put the cheese in your bread. Pizza, in pizza also you can see that many cheese is put in that pizza. So that is what is cheese. So what that man said? That man said that yes, you are welcomed in my house and you will get nothing but you will get only cheese to eat. If that's the case, said the master mouse. What did master mouse said? That if that's the case, agar if I am getting the cheese, I will stay as long as you please. और मैं यहीं पे रुकूंगा as long as you please. जब तक तुम मेरे को मना नहीं करते. और as long as I wish मतलब जब तक मेरा मन करेगा. So he nibbled away. So he nibbled away without a stop. So nibbled mean कुतरना. वो चूहे कैसे खाते? कुतर कुतर के खाते ना, बाइट ले लेके छोटी छोटी. So he nipped away with a stop, without a stop. Without a stop means बिना stop लिए. Means when we are eating, we take a pause, na? When we chew the food properly, so that it goes properly. But the mouse was not chewing it properly. He was just nipping in, मतलब खाता जा रहा था without a stop. मतलब he was not taking a break also, and he was just eating it and eating it. Till his skin couldn't stand the strain. जब तक खाता गया, जब तक उसकी skin या उसका पेट ना उस मतलब when you eat too much of yeast, what happened? Your stomach starts get paining. So his stomach also, since mouse is very small, so he was continuously eating cheese. So he was not able, his skin was not able to take the strain. And one fine day he went off pop. और एक दिन क्या हुआ? There was a pop, धमाका, and never was seen again. क्या हो गया? When we eat too much and what happens? Our stomach starts paining, isn't it? Our stomach starts. So, have you understood? Okay, this is the poem. I will just explain you once again. Many of you have joined late, so I will just explain you once again. Okay, a mouse. What is this poem? This is a poem of a mouse who has gone to moon. Where he has gone? He has gone to moon. A mouse went up in a big balloon. How he went? He went in a big balloon. You can see that this is a balloon. He is going in a balloon. Who is going? Mouse is going. Okay, and sailed along in style. And sailed along means he वो moon में तैरता हुआ, means तैरता पानी में नहीं तैरता, हवा में घूमता हुआ. He was going on the moon, goes up in the sky, na? The same way he was going in style. He was standing in style and he was going towards the moon until he reached the moon. Until means he was going and going until he reached the moon. Means because we take many days to reach the moon, na? So he also took many days to reach the. Then he stayed a while. There he stayed for a while. Where he stayed for a while. वो थोड़ी देर के लिए रुका वहाँ पे. A man on the moon came out to see. A man who was staying, you can see this man over here. This man came out to see the mouse. What did he see? He saw the mouse who chanced to pass that way. He was going somewhere for some work, so he saw that mouse over there. I am glad to see you, mouse. What he said, that I am very glad to see you, mouse. He said, I hope you have come to stay. And he said that I think you have come to stay here. मतलब आप यहाँ पर रहने आए हो. What did he say? That I think that you have come here to stay. You are warmly welcome at my house. आपको मैं बहुत वेलकम करता हूँ. I welcome you in my house. When suppose any friend comes to yours, you welcome her or him. So same way that man is also welcoming the mouse at his house. Though there's nothing to eat but cheese. Though there is nothing, he's saying that we have nothing but only cheese. The cheese is that is put in pizza and all. If that's the case, said the master mouse. What did the master mouse said? Because he liked cheese very much. So he say, yes, if it is the case, मतलब अगर ये बात है, if I will be getting everyday cheese, I will stay as long as you please. Oh man, जब तक आप नहीं मान जाने के लिए बोलोगे, I will stay here only because I will be getting cheese. So he was very happy to have the cheese. So he nipped away with a stop. So he nibbled away with a stop. और उसने चीज को खाना start करा without a stop. Meaning he was not taking a pause. When we eat the food, we chew the food properly, na? So he was not chewing the food properly. He was just nibbling it. He was just eating it without a stop. Till his skin couldn't stand the strain. Until जब तक खाता गया, जब तक उसके skin पेट में दर्द होने लगा. His body started paining. When you eat, suppose your mother will purchase you a pizza, you will eat 1, 2, 3, 4 and continuously you will be eating. So what will happen? You will have a pain in your stomach. And one fine day he went went off, pop. One day, fine day, and one day क्या होगा जब हम we will continuously be eating, तो what will happen? It went a pop. Pop means धमाका. Pop means धमाका. धमाका हुआ, and he never was seen again. And what happened? ऐसे धमाका फूटा उसका पेट, and he burst it out, or he burst that out from that moon, और वो कहाँ चला गया? मर गया. Okay, what happened? If you will continuously eating, if you will not give a pause, आप उसको break नहीं दोगे, you will not do exercise, so what will happen? Your stomach will swell up. आपका stomach क्या होगा? फूल जाएगा, और फूलने से क्या होगा? It will burst. So same way, mouse was a small animal, so he should eat this much only, but he was eating continuously. What happened? His stomach swell up, and what happened? And at the end, it burst, and he died. So all of you have understood this poem. I have explained you at least 2 times. So if you are having any problem regarding this chapter, listen. And what you have to do in this chapter, you have to write 8 lines. Okay, how many lines? 8 lines. A mouse, I will tell you 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, till here you have to write. This much you have to write in your copy. You have to write it in your copy, this paragraph. This full 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, these are the 8 lines. You have to write in your copy. You have to draw diagram. You can draw this one or this one, anyone you can draw, anyone you have to draw. Either you draw this one or you draw this one. Okay, so this full line you have to write. You have to write this from here till here. You have to write it till here, 8 lines in your fair copy with your diagram, with your picture. Okay, children? Now, if you are having any problem regarding this poem, then just let me know. You can raise your hand if you are having any problem regarding this poem. Okay, Nityank Bagel. Yes, Nityank, unmute yourself.
Until man means.
Beta, your voice, I am not able to hear you. Bring your mic near your mouth.
Ma'am, until means.
I said, I hope you have come to stay. Bas left side paragraph, full left side paragraph. I hope you have come to stay till there. You have to write the 8 lines and you have to draw the picture of that poem. Okay? Yes, Nityang, have you understood the poem?
Ma'am, until means.
Until meals. Where it is until meals?
Ma'am, third line.
No, beta. I hope you have come to stay till there. I hope you have come to stay till there. 8 lines it will be. Count 8 lines. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 lines. You have to count 8 lines till 8 lines you have to write. Okay, Nityang?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mute yourself now. Okay, Abhinav. Abhinav, unmute yourself.
मैम जो आप बोल रही हैं 8 लाइन्स लिखनी है, लेकिन मेरे पास बुक भी नहीं है और कॉपी भी नहीं है.
Oh, okay, then whenever you will purchase the book and copy, that time you can write. Okay?
Okay, मैम.
Okay, Siddhi. Yes, Siddhi, unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम जो मैम ये पिक्चर्स है, मैम पिक्चर्स में से मैम एनीवन बना सकते हैं.
Yes, I told you that you can draw anyone.
Okay.
You have to write 8 lines in your book, copy, and you have to draw one picture. How we used to do in second, okay?
Okay.
Okay, mute yourself. Okay, Pavni Agarwal. Pavni Agarwal, unmute yourself. Yes, Pavni. Yes, Pavni, you are having any problem regarding this poem? क्वेश्चन आंसर दिखाने पुराने पीछे चैप्टर्स में. Okay. I am having okay, 1 minute. Okay, Ayan, you are having any problem regarding this? Okay, all of you have understood. Ayan, unmute yourself. You have understood the poem?
मैम ये JLAD का मीन्स क्या होता है?
JLAT?
नो मैम, GLAD.
GLAD?
यस मैम.
That is glad. Glad मतलब खुश होना. Glad
ग्लैड
means
मतलब खुश होना.
खुश होना, happy. Got it?
तो मैम ये इसका सेकंड मीनिंग होगा ना हैप्पी का?
हाँ, it is a second meaning of happy only. Same meaning, whether you say glad or whether you say happy. Okay?
थैंक यू मैम. ओके मैम.
Okay, well, okay. Yes, Abhi, you have, Anvi, you have understood the poem? Okay. Okay, many children were asking me to show me that poem chapter. I will show you once. I am showing you the screen share. Just 4th chapter. Many were asking for showing me that. One minute. I will show you that chapter. Fourth chapter, all of you were saying that, ma'am, I am not having the question answers of that 3rd and 4th chapter, na? So I am showing you, this is the 3rd chapter. This is the 3rd chapter, the ship of the desert. This is the 4th chapter, the ship of the desert. This I had shown you. You can take the screenshot of this. These are the hard words and question answers. If you are not getting it, you will get it. If you have not taken the screenshot, you can take it in the you will get it in the portal also. Okay, I will just read it out the question words so that it will be clear to you. Hard words are desert, eyelashes, ear holes, earliest, kilometers, sandstorm, hump, distances, truly, across. What is a camel called? A camel is called the ship of the desert. Okay, what is a camel called? All of you can take the screenshot of this. What is a camel called? A camel is called a ship of the desert. Where can a camel move easily? Where can a camel move easily? A camel can move easily on the sands of the desert. A camel can move easily on the sands of the desert. Third one, how much water can a camel drink at one time? How much water can a camel drink at one time? A camel can drink 80 liters of water at one time. How much water? 80 liters of water at one time. Now, fourth question is, what are the camels with two humps called? What are the camels with two humps called? The camels with two humps are called Bacterian camels. BACTRIAN, bacterian camels. Now fifth one, how many kilometers can a camel go in a day? How many kilometers can a camel go for a day? A camel can go over 100 kilometers in a day. A camel can go over 100 kilometers in a day. I am giving you ample of time to take the screenshot. After this, I am not going to show you. I have to take it from the portal. Now long question answers. I am reading about so. Why is a camel called the ship of the desert? A camel is called the ship of the desert because it can carry goods across the desert and it can easily move on the sands of the desert. A camel is called the ship of the desert because it can carry goods across the desert and it can easily move on the sands of the desert. First answer. Then second one, how can a camel live without food and water for many days? A camel can live from on his back. A camel can store food and water in its hump on the back and can draw food from the back during the journey. Got it? All of you have got it? First two answers. Now third and fourth one. Okay. How do bushy eyebrows and long eyelashes help a camel? How do bushy eyebrows and long eyelashes help a camel? Bushy eyebrow and long eyelashes keep his eyes safe from sand. Keep his eyes safe from sand. How do padded feet of a camel help him? Padded feet of a camel help him to grip well on sandy ground. His feet are quite wide. His feet are quite wide. Got it? Now fifth one. How is camel helpful to men? A camel can carry heavy loads on his back, help in fields, provide meat and milk. His dried droppings can be used as fuel and his hair can be used to make cloth. Now this, children, we have done with this fourth chapter. All of you have to write these question answers in your fair copy. All of you have to write these question answers in your copy. Okay, and if you have not got it, you can take it from the portal. Now I am showing you the third chapter. The singing train. 1 minute is left. Okay, children, I have shown you today one chapter. Tomorrow I will show you the second chapter. Got it, all of you? Now, if you are having any problem, just let me know. Otherwise, we'll end the class. Raise your hand if you are having any problem. Okay. So only Pavni is having. Okay, Pavni, you are having any problem regarding this? Pavni, you have to unmute yourself. Yes, Pavni. Beta, your voice is not coming. Okay. Beta, tomorrow we will meet with the next chapter and I will show you the third chapter question answers. Okay. So I'm going. Okay. Bye.